Welcome to Getting Started with Felt Crafts. Felt is such a versatile material and it is one of our favorites in our craft room. All of the makers just love doing felt projects. In the video below, I talk about all of the tips and tricks that we've learned throughout the years, as well as show you the different types of materials and how we use them for different types of crafts. Once you've watched this video, in step 3 you can start making. You'll find 6 different projects of different styles. Each one of them has a video so you can make right along with me. In step 4 you can jump right in, where we've collected a library for you of different types of felt crafts, including felt flowers, felt toys, and a collection of felt projects for your little ones so that they can start crafting as well. In step 5 we share all of our resources of our felt, our tools, and our materials so that you can have everything at your fingertips. On this page you have everything you need to start your felt crafting. And remember, when you make your projects, use hashtag #MadeWithLeah on social so that I can follow along with you. So I'll see you in the next video.